readings. My name is Dina Sadoriniou. I am an intuitive coach, healer, trainer, an AKASHIC records expert and teacher, and also creator of sacred codes. I use that in my work. I'm in this path for more than 30 years, and my intent is to assist you bring out the best in you, in your work, so you can create the life of your dreams. I would like to assist you today, as in a group healing, to release those energetic imprints that don't serve you. What are they? You choose something that you had enough of. There's a lot of fear going on because of the situation, powerlessness and helplessness and hopelessness, perhaps. The financial situation, the health situation, or maybe personal, maybe relationships. I find that this period, from my experience also, is bringing up things that perhaps you think you worked on or you cleared. It's just coming up, and I feel they are coming up for one final time for you to give that big push and completely eliminate it from your energy field, from your life, so that you can create a new timeline for yourself, which is on a much higher vibration. So I'm sure some of these codes also have some ascension coding. So we'll be using this code, and I think some light language will also come through. So just for a minute, make sure that nothing and no one is disturbing you. Switch off your phone or your notifications if you're watching from the phone. Lean back to your seat. Or if you want to lay down, close your eyes. If you don't want to fall asleep through this healing, just keep your back straight. I want you to focus on your breathing. Notice how your chest is coming up and down as you breathe in and out, and just be present in the here and the now. Just relax. Breathe in and out. This is not going to be just a guided meditation, it's a guided healing. I, as a healer, can only create the sacred space for you to heal. The healer is you. And the miracles of healing lay in your hands. I'm only your guide. So are you ready? Are you ready to let go of that which does not serve your highest and greatest good today? Even if it's just one thing. Just one thing that you're ready now to release for good. Something that you've been carrying for a long time. Something that keeps on repeating in your life. A repetitive scenario that you just had enough now. It's appearing in your life again. One more time to be released, because you know now you're not the same anymore. You're not the same person, you have changed. And so the same scenarios of the past cannot return. Breathe in and out. Open your heart. You are the greatest healer of all. And here it is in your mind's eye. You see that big furnace of the sacrificial fire. It's the unconditional love of the Creator that's waiting to purify all that which you do not want anymore. It's time. And I will assist you in just releasing those energetic imprints from your field. No matter where they are lodged into your physical body or your energy field. I'm asking Source, the Arcturian healers, and the Atlantean masters to assist me in this with the power of the Holy Spirit. Allow. Kiye hiakwa sanata wa ayahuana kiye setiakwa. Asana kwe yakwa seta o haseti. Nui hasai. I want you to feel, sense, see, think that those energetic imprints that were so tightly latched on to your matrix energy field are now being detached, leaving your energy field, being attracted by the furnish. Asahuainekiatase Nuaya Haya Wo Ye Nekiatanaki Awasihia Sunamakataya. I'm activating the furnace code and I'm sending it to each and every one of you into your energy field to assist you in burning away all that which does not serve you anymore, to the extent that you allow it, with your permission. Breathe as I'm holding space for you to do that with ease and grace. It doesn't have to be a struggle. It doesn't have to be difficult. It's just a release. I ask the subconscious programming, the neural pathways of your brain to change and transform in a way that it is more conducive to your highest and greatest good, towards the ascension, becoming more 5D, becoming more of that which makes you whole and complete. You are whole and complete. I'm inviting you, I am presence of each and every one of you. Open up to receive more of that light, bring more of that quality and attributes of your I am, so you feel more complete, more whole, more fulfilled, more abundant in the here and the now. Asane setahwa akawana yakuasate yehiene. So akwanehi setakaya hasetiena. Wihia sanua. You are safe. You are loved. You are enough. You are free. You are whole. You are complete. You are abundant. Breathe in and out. So when you are ready, you can open your eyes. How was that for you guys? Let me just check a little bit the messages here. I can show it again. Yes, hold on. Back to pure source energy, yes. Awesome, with gratitude. Thank you, Heidi. Thank you. Deep resonation with you and your healing and the codes. Thank you, Catherine. Wow, that was intense. Thank you so much. Great. You're welcome, Michelle. Hands moving with light energy, then a big release. Crying surrender. Cool. You're welcome, Lathai. You're welcome, Rachel. Deep sobbing? Oh, sobbing is releasing. It's good. It's a good sobbing, right, Michelle? Big release over here as well. Cool, Jake. Oh, thank you. That was so needed and timely. Thank you from the depths of my being. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome, Victoria. Deepest gratitude. I really needed that release. Thank you. Fantastic. Happy for you guys. You're powerful beings and powerful healers.